In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to live stream on YouTube using OBS Studio. First off, to stream on YouTube, you need a YouTube channel, so make sure you're logged in to youtube.com. Now, there is one major requirement. Your channel needs to have Step 2 verification enabled. YouTube has 3 levels of verification, but for live streaming, Step 2 is the one that matters. Let's check if you're set up. While you are on youtube.com, click your avatar in the top right corner and head to YouTube Studio. Next, look at the bottom left sidebar and click Settings. From there, click on Channel. Inside the channel settings, switch over to the Feature Eligibility tab. Here you'll see 3 verification levels. As you can see, the requirement for live streaming is intermediate features. If you haven't done this yet, just follow the instructions here to verify. Once that's done, you'll see the status change to enabled, like this. Since I'm already verified, let's move on to the next step. There are actually 2 ways to live stream with OBS: connecting your YouTube account directly or using a stream key. In this video, I'll show you the second method, using a stream key, because it's often more stable. Now to get started, inside YouTube Studio, click the Create button in the top menu bar and select Go Live. You can schedule a stream for later, or just click Now to stream immediately. Next, click on Streaming Software to use OBS Studio. This takes you to the YouTube Live control room. Under the Stream Key section, click the button that says Create New Stream Key. Go ahead and give your stream key a name. For streaming protocol, leave it as the default RTMP. Now, under Stream Resolution, if you want manual control, toggle Turn On. Usually, selecting 1080p is good enough. And if you're planning the stream at 60 frames per second, make sure to check that box as well. Just make sure these resolution and FPS settings match exactly what you set inside OBS later. Then, hit Create. Now that the key is generated, click the Copy icon. Copy this to your clipboard, but keep it a secret. Don't show it to anyone. At the end of the video, I'll show you how to delete this key after you're done. Below that, click Edit to set your title, description, and visibility settings, just like when you upload a normal video. Pay attention to the visibility options. You have 3 choices: private, unlisted, and public. Unlisted means anyone with the link can watch. Public means your subscribers will get notified if they have notifications turned on. Alright, let's switch over to OBS Studio. Before we go live, you should already have your scenes, sources, and microphone set up. You can check out my previous video on how to install and set up OBS Studio. I covered everything you need to master the software in that guide. I'll leave the link in the description below. In OBS, click on the Settings button. On the left menu, choose Stream. In the Service drop-down, select YouTube RTMP. You can leave the server as default. Next, and this is important, click the button that says Use Stream Key. Now, paste the stream key we just copied from YouTube right into this box. Then, click OK. You might see a prompt to log in to use the YouTube Live control panel, but for this quick guide, we're going to start immediately by just hitting the Start Streaming button. A few seconds after you hit Start Streaming, switch back to YouTube Studio, and you should see a notification indicating that you're live. You're on air. You can monitor your stream health and stats down here. If you want to get the link to send out, click the share icon, hit copy, and share that link so people can tune in. To finish the broadcast, it's a two-step process. Click End Stream inside YouTube Studio and click Stop Streaming inside OBS. And finally, if you want to delete or reset that key for security, you can go back to the Stream Key section, select Manage Stream Keys, and delete it there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.